Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Vertical tangents on a curve are tricky, but we can find them quickly by analyzing the derivative and checking for points where the slope becomes undefined.
A vertical tangent occurs where the slope is undefined. Looking at our derivative, this happens when the denominator equals 0, meaning x plus y must be 0. Let's go!
Now substitute y equals negative x into the original curve equation. This allows us to reduce the expression to a single variable and test for valid points. You got this!
Simplifying gives 2x squared plus 2 equals 0. Since x squared equals negative 1 has no real solutions, the curve never has a vertical tangent. Boom, done here. Clear win. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Don't assume solutions exist. Always check for real roots to avoid the common trap.